So this morning, meron nag-consult na inuubo lang siya pero may kasamang dugo yung plema. Napaisip tuloy ako, infection ng bato or something more serious? Sige, let me share you a case of a 62-year-old woman with persistent dry cough for weeks and occasional hemoptysis. Actually, stable lang naman siya. Walang lagnat, walang weight loss. But here's the twist. She's on long-term immunosuppressants for rheumatoid arthritis. Then, the x-ray showed isang lung cavity sa upper lobe, makapal and irregular yung wall. So, what are we thinking? Most people, most doctor will jump to tuberculosis, TB, cancer. But in an immunocompromised patient, you should think differently. Chronic pulmonary aspergillosis. It is a fungal infection that slowly eats into the lung tissue, forming cavities and causing hemoptysis over time. Pag plema ng dugo. The key clues you should never ignore includes chronic cough, matagal nang inuubo, minimal systemic symptoms, hindi naman siya masyadong toxic, hindi naman masyadong lagnat, stable yung vital signs, immunosuppressed host with a cavitary lesion on the imaging. So hindi lahat ng cavitary lesion is always TB. Always match the host plus the imaging, plus the timeline of the symptoms because the diagnosis changes differently on who the patient is. If you have the symptoms of persistent cough or may dugo, especially if you're on long-term immunosuppressants that affects the immunity, don't delay the consults. Early check is equals to better outcomes, and sometimes it's not just bacteria. It is something you don't usually see until you start looking for it.